Hi guys, today I will start a new project called Let's Resolve Together the Condensation Issue at Opel Insignia Headlight. I will repair, to be more precise, I will resolve the condensation issue at this headlight step by step together with you. That's why please subscribe to my channel and enable the notifications in order to follow the repair steps coming in the next videos. Given the fact that the most watched videos and the most commented ones in my channel are related to Opel Insignia AFS bi-xenon headlights, I decided to make a series of videos covering the most important issues regarding these problematic headlights. For this purpose, I sourced a used Opel Insignia bi-xenon headlight which has a condensation issue. In this first video, I will perform a visual check and identify the possible sources of the condensation at this headlight. The condensation at these headlights is the most annoying and difficult to resolve issue. Condensation leads to a water damage at the internal headlight parts, which in turn causes ballast burnouts, daytime running light faults, IFS faults, high beam failures, among others. As you can see, the headlight I sourced also has a condensation issue. There are watermarks inside the headlight and the ballast plug is visibly oxidized. The previous owner of the car has tried to solve the condensation issue at this headlight simply by adding silicone to all around edges where the lens meets the housing. The presence of the small metal brackets at the edges shows that this headlight isn't opened, is not repaired. He assumed, as most of the folks out there, that the condensation is a result of improper lens sealing. Believe it or not, this is the most common mistake made while searching for the correct diagnosis. If you do not have an apparent damage at the lens sealing, usually the lens sealing itself is not the source of the condensation. Headlights make condensation when they aren't breathing correctly. In other words, if the amount of air inside the headlight is greater than the intended and not circulating correctly, and if the temperature and the pressure change drastically in the headlight, the vapor in the air turns into water, forming the condensation. At this headlight, as you can see, additional silicone added to the lens edges hasn't solved the condensation issue. Guys, condensation usually is not a result of improper lens sealing, but of a damage at the headlight casing. So, if you do not have apparent bolt damage at the sealing, or if you don't have a missing covers, do not waste your time and check your headlight casing for any damage. For more precisely, for cracks and holes. This is exactly the case with this headlight. After a close inspection, I noticed a crack at the upper fixing top, which is addressed with some kind of a glue, and very small hole at the outer wing side fixing top. These two small damages are more than enough to prevent the headlight from breathing correctly. In this video, I only made a visual check, but in order to identify all the weak points of this headlight, in the next video I will make a soap bath with the help of an air compressor. By doing this soap bath, I will see if there is additional damage to the headlight except these 2 points. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to enable notifications in order to be informed when the next video is uploaded. Thanks for watching, guys. All the best. Bye for now.